Here's another winter driving tip. If you're ever driving in one lane areas like this, it's very easy. If you try to turn, you could oversteer like so, and you're gonna hit the curb at slow speed, and you can save yourself some rim damage if you ever hit a curb like I did with this one. And luckily this one only needed a bead seal around the rim and it wasn't too badly damaged. So with this tip you'll be able to avoid that altogether, save your rims, and also save you alignment costs. Watch how easy it is to slip on ice driving at slow speed. So I'm going to be going about 10 kilometers an hour, and you'll see that instead of turning out of the corner, you have to turn into the curb if you want to save your rims. So instead of turning the wheel, trying to escape the imminent crash, what's going to happen is you'll slide into the curb and all that weight behind the car is going to come and bend your rim at slow speed. So that you want to avoid. Whereas if you have your wheels turned into the curb, you can see that you'll be going at a slower speed, but you won't mess up your alignment or damage your rim. So your rubber will take the brunt of the impact and nothing will really be affected. See, you can even notice that this tire, these are winter tires, and they still don't get good traction in the snow. These look fresh. These look like fresh tires too. And they still don't solve all your winter driving. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd use this technique, and do you think you'd end up like that other person did with that blue Mazda by the ditch. Alright, so I hope that helped.
Automotive for Beginners.